The evidence is overwhelming. There's no evidence that even controverts the opinion of the state and the allegations. So again, that mystery has been solved, but we're watching just a Greek tragedy unfolding in front of us. I said this before. Robert Tellis is a man who had it all. 3 children, all healthy. He's healthy, family healthy, lawyer, elected public official in one of the most lucrative positions you can have as a civil lawyer, right? The public administrator in Las Vegas. I mean, it's a big, big position. And then, hey, when he lost his bid for re-election, oh darn, now I've got to go out into the public sector and make millions of dollars. There were firms lining up to hire Tellis, right? They would have paid him 7 figures. They would have billed him out at $1,500 an hour if he would have just joined these law firms, because he had direct insight into how dilapidated properties were sold in that city, right? So that is the most lucrative position you could be. If you're a law firm, you're pining to hire this guy. But what did he do? He didn't take these offers. He did not leave well enough alone and go out into the public sector and make millions of dollars and enjoy his kids and enjoy his life. He was a young man. No, he premeditatedly murdered a reporter. The bar was so low for him to have everything. It was so low. All he had to do was not premeditatedly murder a reporter. That's all he had to do. Any number of people watching this broadcast, if that's all they have to do to become filthy rich, healthy, happy children, healthy children, if that's all they have to do is to not premeditatedly murder a reporter, then they'll tell you it's too good to be true. His situation was too good to be true, but he was determined to destroy it. So in my opinion, the evidence and the case we saw in his testimony, and now I know why his attorney put a wedge between him and his client. Now, that mystery has been solved. He knew exactly what he was dealing with. I think this thing is a fait accompli. We're going to have the closing arguments, and then there's a jury of 14 people, 7 men, 7 women. 2 of them are alternates, right? They're going to come back quick, Ted. I think we're looking at a 2-hour deliberation. Once the closing arguments are done, obviously they're not ready yet.
Absolutely, yes. One of the biggest things that Tellis wants the jury to get consumed with, on some level, he doesn't want them to focus on the hat necessarily or those Nike shoes, but he wants them to focus on the pants, because he doesn't own pants like that guy. Is that surveillance video of the guy with the hat? And he's claiming it, couldn't be me, it doesn't look like me at all. Well, the state called a guy by the name of Zach Schilling to the stand, who saw the video, saw the gate, saw everything, and first thing he thought was Robert Tellis. Take a